Hi, I'm Bob Jenkins, and at CLC Engineering, I check electromechanical arrangements, I do retrofits, I do QA/QC work, and project management. For full electrical and mechanical arrangements, we take one line and a plot of land and make a few different designs to give the customer some options so that we can move forward and give them what they want. After a design is chosen, we take the design from the ground up, checking clearances, safety, lightning protection, grounding, structural integrity, and overall flow of the layout. Here's an example of a plan view for 138 34.5 kV that we did in Texas. It was a large area of land. I was just going to kind of go through it and show you kind of what we're capable of. This was a 2D design where we have AutoCAD capabilities of 2D and 3D here. We use AutoCAD for 2D and Inventor Substation Suite for 3D. This was a 2D design, however. So I'm going to move to the sections now. This is just showing kind of the layout of the job and just kind of what we had. Here we have the section view. You can see the material list callouts. You can see the equipment layout. You can see how we have plenty of clearances for safety and around the switches. You can also see how the bus deflection calc was used and how the bus is laid out. Here we have a details page. You can see the tube cutting on the left-hand side and some details on the right, just of any connection details or any problems that we foresee the contractor may have in the field. It makes their job a little easier. Here we have the material list. It helps us identify all the equipment, identify all the hardware, and identify all the cable in the job. Here we have a ground grid. We take a ground grid study and lay out the ground grid and make sure all the equipment is protected. Here we have the ground grid's details page. On the left you can see the bill of material. On the right you can see the details. This particular ground grid for this job required an exothermic grounding connection. Some jobs require a bolted connection. Here at CLC, we want to make sure the customer is happy with their overall design and layout of their stations. We have a strong team here at CLC Engineering, and we cross-check each job to make sure it meets industry standards.